This lesson is all about adverbs. So adverbs are often described as words that modify or add more information about verbs. For example, I ran quickly or I tiptoed quietly. But adverbs can also modify adjectives, other adverbs, and even whole clauses. Adverbs can describe the way or time which something was done. For example, earlier I went to the shops, or forcefully I opened the door. Can you find the adverb in this sentence? I went to the beach yesterday. If you said yesterday, you were correct. Yesterday tells us the time something was done. Now try, I carefully closed the window. Yes, carefully is the adverb, as it describes how the window was closed.